Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new video. I'm Beck. Maybe you know that at this point. If you don't, that's my name. If you do, that's great. Thank you for recognizing me. And today, I'm going to be making a video about my everyday carry situation. Yes, when I do go outside, these are going to be the things that I bring with me at all times. Yes. So, we would start with the phone, but I'm shooting the video with the phone. So, let me talk about the phone a little bit. It is a Samsung A07. It came out last year, late last year, I think. It's the newest model they offer that is at the cheapest price category, which I think is a good choice for me because I don't ask a lot from my phone. I really don't. I just want to be able to do the basic stuff like, oh yeah, go on social media, scroll a little bit, stuff like calling, texting. Oh wow, just usual stuff. And of course, another thing that I bring with me all the time is my little wallet here. I usually put these in my pocket. It's a small little one that I really appreciate because otherwise, with big wallets that are chunky and everything, those take a lot of space in your pocket, and you mostly end up putting unnecessary little cards in those, and they just get thicker and thicker, and just take a lot of space in your pocket. Right? This is not. This is nothing like that. Sure, I still have unnecessary cards in here, like coffee shop cards. When you get to a certain amount of coffees, you get one free. I have those type of cards. Uh, Other than that, I just have my usual IDs and everything. And this is what I hold it. It's a real leather wallet. I guess you could say it's a card holder as well, since it doesn't really look like a wallet anymore. But yeah, this is from a place called Semender Leather. They make original leather materials and stuff out of those materials. They use real good leather. I've had this for like at least a year now, and I'm really liking how it's perfectly working for me still. And when I first got it, it wasn't in this color. I think it changed color throughout its time with me. I guess it's patinaing. I guess that's what it is. And the next thing that I have is my keys, of course. This card holder came with the little thing to hold keys. It's like a little person. It hugs the keys. Let me show you. See? It holds the keys, and those keys don't jingle or jiggle around when I'm wearing this around my belt loop. And another thing I have on my keychain is like a little panda from WWF. They gave that to me for supporting them, I think. So yeah. Another thing that I always bring with me is my journal. I love this thing. It's also made from real leather. The company is called Mindh. Mindh. I don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest with you, but that's the company's name, and they make leather covers for books and notebooks, I think. And they do have a wallet too, I think, but I don't know what else they make, if they do. And that's my cheap pen. Got it for like 15 liras. Works for a long time. writes well, nothing wrong with it. And the cute little rainbow here. Okay, so that's my journal. I made a video about this already. And obviously, I have my iems, in-ear monitors. I use these instead of like regular earbuds because I don't know. Just the look is cooler in my opinion. Like, look at this. You can see the insides of the earbud. Like, you can see the driver, you can see the cables. I don't know. It just has a different vibe to me. And the sound quality is pretty good too for the price, you know? It's under a K, it's under 1K. So if you want to get a new pair of earbuds or iems for whatever reason, you can go for these. It's a brand called KZ, and they make, I mean, good quality iems for affordable prices. This one is called, I think, Edx Pro, just so you know. And of course, I have my the case for my glasses. I don't ever put my glasses in the case, but I do carry my cloth with me so I can just wipe them when they get dirty, and they got the wiping juice as well. Another thing that I bring with me always is my charger, of course. I got the OG charger from Samsung. It's a 15-watt fast charging brick, in their opinion. Is it fast? For me, it's fast enough. Let's just say that. And these days, I also bring this book called Dark Island with me because I'm trying to get back into reading. It's a book by Nick Cutter, and so far, I'm at like page 50 or 60 or so. It's smooth, but my capability to read has lessened over the years since I haven't read a long book like this in a long while. Anyway, so I carry these things with me all the time, but where do I put them? Right? Maybe I should have shown this the first. But yeah, this is my backpack. It's from a clothing brand, I think. I don't know which one it is from. Could be from De Facto or LcWaikiki. Let me see, actually. Okay, yeah, it is from LcWaikiki. I think that's a Turkish brand. And that's about it for the bag. I also have some other things that I carry with me in the bag. This is my planner. I just write down things here that I want to do in the near future, and that's how I keep those little things on pen and paper and in my head. And another thing that I'm carrying with me these days is my music journal. I got this notebook from a brand called Bazen Defter. So that would be sometimes notebooks. That's a bad translation, I have to admit. But yeah, it's a good brand that makes notebooks like this. They sell them in sets of 2. They have smaller ones also. They do have a lot of different designs for the covers of them as well. I got the newspaper one. Into this, I just write my lyrics when I have the inspiration to do so. And so that's about it for what I carry with me on a daily basis when I go outside. That's my everyday carry. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, because I know I enjoyed making it right now. And that's about it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video and if you want to support me, of course. These are not things you have to do, but are things that would be nice of you to do if you want to support me. All right. AI can go and live inside a endless hole and have a good morning, good day, good night, good evening, and good night. Peace.